guys, Wade with Front Range Dent Removal. Today we're working on a Tesla Model 3. I've got 2 dents on this car. Got a small one here on the door and a larger, harder one here on the quarter panel. Challenge of this dent, first of all, it's through a body line. We only have one point of access in order to repair the dent. This dent's difficult because not only is it aluminum, but it's also in an area that is very hard to get to. We're gonna have to gain access through the window and around the handle in order to get to this dent. All right, we're really happy with this repair. When we removed the taillight, we were able to access the damage from behind. We rebuilt this body line, and as you can see, this dent is no longer there.